Hello guys, and for this video I'll be making a tutorial in answering the activities in for chapter 2. First, let's search for some of the activities. So we have here the activity accessing devices. And of course, we have here the console, telnet or SSH and the auxiliary. So we need to keep in mind some of the meanings of these three access methods. So they are all using the configuration of some devices. Uh, the console it uses the console and the auxiliary mostly uses the some cables, and while the telemeter SSH just uses the some connection because it just requires the some remote access. Well, let's first answer this. You're in the equipment room with the new switch that needs to be configured, and for that we need the console because as we are in the physical room, then of course having a new switch you need to use the physical configuration, and your manager gives a special cable to use it to configure the switch. It's still the console. You access the IOS by using another intermediate device over network connection. So this just means that it doesn't use a cable. So the answer is telnet or SSH. You call your manager to tell him you cannot access the router in the other city over the internet. It provides you with the information to access the router through a telephone connection. We have the auxiliary. Yes, we have answered the first activity. Search and search and search and search and search. Let's search for the activities in chapter 2. I think it's not. Okay. Okay, so here we have the activity for the syntax checker, and we are at the CLI, and we are required to enter the command to encrypt all plain text passwords. So we need to type in encrypting the plain text passwords. You need to type in the command service password dash encryption. Exit global configuration button, view the running configuration. So we need to, in viewing the running configuration, we need to type in the command show running config, and as we can see, we have here some of the configurations made for the switch. So you have successfully encrypted the plain text passwords. So in this syntax checker, you just need to input some of the basic commands used for configuring a device. Let's check here if we have some some activities available. Don't have any. So we have another syntax checker here, and we have 4 requirements to finish. So limit access to a switch, encrypt all passwords, secure the privileged exec access, secure the console access, and secure the VTY access. So encrypt all passwords. So we need to secure the privileged exec access. Encrypt all passwords first. And there, after encrypting all the passwords, we need to secure the privileged exec access with the password cla55. We enable secret cla55, and we need to secure the console 9. We need to use the password sysc0 to allow login. We need to use we need to go into the line console 0 and then type in the password command to write in the password that we desire, sysc0. And to allow the login, we need to type in the login command. So secure the first 16 VTY lines. So 16 VTY lines, so it means that we will start from 0 to 15, and we need to type in the line VTY 0 15 to limit the access. So password, again the same, 60, and enable the login. You have successfully limited access to a switch, just the same as the first syntax checker, but it requires the the password for the privilege exec mode, the line console and the line video. So search for more activities. And here we have the third syntax checker, configuring the switch virtual interface. And here in this syntax checker, we need to set up a IP address, an IP and a subnet mask for the interface VLAN 1 for the switch. So we will enter the configuration mode for VLAN 1, then we need to type in interface VLAN 1. Oh, and there we're in at the interface, and in assigning a IP address for the VLAN 1, we need to type in the IP address command, IP address, and type in the required address. So 192.168.10.2 space the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. And after that, we need to enable interface. So in enabling the interface, we need the no shutdown command. So no shutdown to enable the interface. As we can see, interface will not change state to up, so it means that it is activated and the assigned IP address subnet mask has been set up. So we have successfully configured the switch virtual interface for VLAN 1. So that's how basic the syntax checker is. Depends on how complicated it was. And I think that's the end of this activity. And for this activity, the activities here are just knowing the access methods and also the proper configurations, some basic configurations about the the network operating system, and how we can secure the configurations with passwords, and also setting up the addressing or setting up an IP to the interfaces. And that's it for this tutorial. And I hope you learned from this video, and thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.